Hi guys, happy Wednesday. How's it going? Yesterday I got a lot less questions than I did on Monday, so that's a really good sign. It shows me that people understand better how to access the Google documents, where to write their answers, things like that. So that was great. So today I'm going to talk to you about what's required for Wednesday, today's assignment. So let's look at this document. Okay, Monday we did the graphic organizer. Yesterday we did this inference question. Wednesday, you also have an inference question for today. I'll read it out loud. It says, write a paragraph to answer this question. Make sure you include text, evidence, and information from your background knowledge. The question is, why is finding a good site important when building a log cabin? Okay. Think about the text that we read on Monday. Go back, reread the text if you need to, or at least skim it, and think about why it's important to build this log cabin. Why is the location important of a log cabin? Okay, think about what problems can arise or what benefits you can have when you're thinking about the location or the site of the log cabin. Okay, I'm going to skip down into word study. Word study. So here are your word study words, okay? Some of you already did the syllables activity, some of you did the word search. Another activity that you can do this week is write your words in a book or magazine, or you can ask your parents what the words mean and write down what they say, or you can write an acrostic poem with each word, okay? How you choose to do this activity is your choice. Meaning if you find words in the books or magazines, obviously you don't have to submit that in a Google document. Ask your words what the words mean. Ask your parents what the words mean. Write what they say. You can just write it in this box or write an acrostic poem with each word. You can also write it in this box if you choose, okay? So these are your choice, and I know on the peak of the week I kind of had it like assigned for each day, but really it is your choice which ones you want to do on each day. So I just want to clarify that. That was my mistake in communicating that to you. Okay, so it is your choice. You choose what word study activity you want to do on each day. Then let's go into writing. All right, so for writing today is we're revising to add dialogue, okay? When you're adding dialogue, remember we start with quotation marks, we end with quotation marks, sometimes we have to use a comma. I'll be uploading a anchor chart on how to use dialogue, okay? Dialogue really brings the text to life, okay? When people say things, how people react to each other, those things really bring your writing to life and make the reader feel connected even more to your writing, okay? So that's the 3 things that you'll have to do today. Oh, some people were asking me, where do I write the writing piece? So you see what I did there? I scroll down and I just kind of press enter, 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 enter all the way down. Okay, and if you keep pressing it, you'll get to this new page. You see this perforated line right here? Okay, you'll get to a new page, and your writing assignments about what you have done since school has been closed will go here. Okay, you don't need to put it in a different Google Doc. You don't need to write it on paper. Please don't do that. Just write it all in this Google Doc. All of your work should be just completed in this one Google Doc, okay? I think that's it for now. If y'all continue to have questions, please let me know. Some of you got phone calls yesterday. I'm still in the process of trying to reach every parent, so I'll be continuing to make those calls today. If I wasn't able to speak to your parent, I left a message. And if you are unable to access the Google document, or for some reason you're not able to complete it, please let me know, and I will help you out. We can work this out, okay? All right, that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye. Have a great Wednesday.